This is Dave. Today Dave is at Papa John's. Papa John's has recently brought back their most requested specialty pizza. Was this because of customer request or because of Pizza Hut? The answers are unclear. But what is crystal clear is, of all the talented food reviewers on YouTube, this guy isn't one of them. Let's roll the intro and get this shit show started.
Welcome back by the slice, Big Dave. Today we're at Papa John's. The inventor of the conveyor belt pizza oven? No, that was probably Domino's. The founder who sold his Camaro to start the business, who disgraced himself and now he has nothing to do with it because they kicked him out? That's the place. Anyways, Cheeseburger pizza. Now we went to Pizza Hut the other day to have their cheeseburger melt. Well, I guess Papa John's was a little upset about that because they were the people that originally made the cheeseburger pizza, so they brought it back. They have it in the pizza, they have it in their melt they call a papadilla, and the garlic knots that they call, I don't know, shitty pops or something. I don't know. Let's have a look at this thing, all right? Now, I'm gonna go in and get the proper sauce. And I'll be right back. Alright, so I went back and got the proper sauce, at least what I think is the proper sauce. It says online it comes with the burger sauce, and he said, no, that's just for the shitty pops and the papadillas, not for this. But you can have it if you want. And he said, yeah, I'd like to try that, please. The burger sauce, I don't know if you remember, we had it at the other place. It was like Thousand Island with pickle in it. Anyways, do you want to get a couple of pictures of this, Cinda? Okay, so of course it comes with the hot pepper, the little hot pepper. Love these things. They're pretty good. Let's take a look at this. I'll get a slice out. Conveyor belt, floppy, but it's a pretty pizza, isn't it? Look, it's got the pickles on it, tomatoes. I think that's the burger. There ain't much burger on that thing, is there? Let's take a bite and try it. Oh, medium pizza. I should go over the price. Medium pizza. That thing was $18.07. $18.07. I'm not kidding. Bite time. The dill pickle really pops. It's actually pretty good. Let's try the sauce. I don't smell the pickle in it like I did on the other one. The other one was like Big Mac sauce with pickle in it. Just my thoughts. Pizza Hut. Let's try the sauce. I'm gonna say I think this is pretty good. I don't mind it. It's not bad. If it was cooked in a proper oven and had a good crust, it'd be a good pizza. But hey, 7.2 Papa John's. Way to go, eh? Papa John's, 7.2. I might even try another one day. Maybe. Thanks for watching. Peace! Whether you're on the links or on the trail, look good doing it in a Dave Eats hat.
Get your Dave Eats, the worst food review channel on YouTube, hat now only at Bongo's Bongs Gibraltar Weekend Market.